In under 45 minutes, you can whip up this quick, delicious, and fluffy cheese pie perfect for dinner or as an appetizer. Stick around till the end and give it a go yourself. Remember to subscribe for more simple and tasty recipes. Let's begin by adding 1 teaspoon of salt to 250 grams of cheese and 4 eggs. If the cheese is already salty, you can skip the extra salt. You can also adjust the number of eggs to your liking, anywhere from 2 to 4. Combine all the ingredients and add water gradually, up to a total of 150 milliliters. Mix in 100 milliliters of yogurt and 10 grams of baking powder. Grease a casserole dish with sunflower oil and place the first sheet of Phyllo pastry into it. Crumple the remaining sheets and dip them into the cheese mixture until thoroughly coated. Arrange the coated pastry sheets in the casserole dish, repeating the process until all the dough is used. Spread any remaining cheese mixture on top. Bake in an oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, gradually lowering the temperature to prevent burning. Once baked, remove the pie from the oven, allow it to cool to room temperature, and then savor this delightful wrinkly cheese pie. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up for more delicious recipes.